Hey, what's up guys? I'm excited to show you today how to shoot hyperlapses with your smartphone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Andreas. I'm an Adobe certified video editor and I do a lot of cool hyperlapse edits over on my Instagram. I've been shooting hyperlapses for almost 5 years now, and I also built up an entire hyperlapse course in which I go really in detail of my techniques. But today let's focus on how to actually shoot some smartphone hyperlapses. So let's get started. So generally speaking, a hyperlapse is basically a moving time-lapse. To get a really smooth hyperlapse, I would highly recommend using a smartphone gimbal. I'm personally using the Osmo 4, but you can use any kind of gimbal for it. When you're using the Osmo gimbal, I would recommend using the corresponding free DJI Mimo app for it. So you got two options on the Osmo. Option 1, you get an automatically stabilized hyperlapse directly on your phone using the hyperlapse feature inside of the Mimo app. Option 2, you shoot a standard video and do all the stabilization work in post-production. Option 1 is perfect if you quickly want to upload it on social media because your phone takes away all of the work for you. But with option 2, you get the better quality and more flexibility on the stabilization process. Plus with option 2, you can utilize the maximum resolution that your phone allows. So in my case with my iPhone, I could shoot in 4K. Whilst with option 1, using the automatic stabilization process, you're only limited to Full HD. In both options, the Osmo 4 really shines because you can track the subject that you want to focus on with just a click of a button. So make sure to lock your setting first, so maximum quality possible, manual white balance, fixed ISO and a fixed shutter, so we don't get brightness jumps while actually shooting. Just simply draw a square around it and the gimbal will automatically tilt, pan and follow the subject. And all you have to do is choose a path and then start walking. If you choose option 1, the gimbal app will automatically stabilize and export your hyperlapse directly onto your phone. So you could directly upload it to social media. But again, you do not have much control over the stabilization process and the quality. Here comes a quick bonus tip. A lot of you probably didn't know this, but Instagram actually has its own hyperlapse app available. So if you do not have a gimbal and want to quickly shoot a hyperlapse handheld, you can use this app for it. But keep in mind that you have to keep your hands very steady to achieve a smooth hyperlapse. That's why I would always choose option 2, doing the stabilization process manually, because you will end up with more quality. If you choose option 2, you will probably end up with a clip between 4 and 10 minutes, depending how long you've been shooting or walking. But this clip needs to be stabilized manually on your computer. But this process would go far beyond the scope of this video, so if you're interested in learning the stabilization process, I cover them all in my own hyperlapse course to get something like this. Believe it or not, but all of these hyperlapses you just saw were shot on my iPhone. If you want to learn more about these advanced techniques, these rotations, these animations, I cover them all in my own hyperlapse course. But I hope in this video I could show you how easy it is to actually shoot a hyperlapse on your smartphone. Thank you guys so much for watching and stay creative.